Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 14 inches dual screen for your laptop. This one actually goes for laptops that are from like 13.5 inches to 17.3 inches. And this brand sent this one to me for this video review. I tried it and I think it's really good. Not only because it's super convenient to have for situations on the go, like if you need to take your laptop with you somewhere and then you're gonna have an extra screen, which I think it's really good, but also because of the quality. It's a 1080p screen. It's kind of like on the diagonal shape is 14 inches. It attaches to your laptop super easy. I'm gonna show you that in a few seconds. And I think it's a really great product to have if you're working from home or your home office, for sure, for you to have at your home, but also to take with you on the go if you're going on a trip or a business trip or something like that, because it's super portable. So let me show you what you get out of the box and for sure how to use it. So out of the box, you're gonna find for sure the instructional manuals or the user guide. They're super easy to follow, so that's not an issue. This is a super easy to use portable screen. Then you're gonna find the different connection types. This is a USB-C to HDMI, then you have the USB-C to USB-C, and then you have something that you can use for the charging purposes, actually the connectivity of the power, which is the USB-A to USB-C. Other than that, this is a really nice case. As you can see, it's a leather case that you can actually take with you on the go. It has a pocket right here with a Velcro and the handles that you can use for transport this portable screen. And once you get it out of the case, it has this really nice carbon fiber accents right here that I really like. And this is what is gonna attach to your laptop. This is the screen. As you can see, it's a really nice flat screen, which is an IPS panel, by the way. And then you're gonna see the locking mechanism is gonna be right here, which extends. So let's put it on my laptop and see how it goes. And this is how it looks when it's turned off. You can see it has a lock right here, as well as locks right here on the side of the screen, and two locks right here on this side of the screen as well. So you can actually see that this is not gonna move anywhere, because I think that this is how it's gonna secure that your screen is gonna be always on top and always on the side of your screen. So you can actually see that you can swivel it if you want. I mean, it's not necessary because you're surely gonna have this just like a dual screen side, but if you want, you can actually swivel and put it in any other position. So let's connect it to my laptop and turn it on. And by the way, it's super convenient that the connection ports are right here on the back, just on the side. So you can see that when you actually put the screen like that, the cables are almost non-visible and they're super easy to connect. And now it's hooked via the HDMI cable. You can see that you have a volume as well because it has a speaker that you can actually ramp up to level, let's say, I think it was 100. And there you go with an 80 right now. It has a really nice speaker, I wanna say, for probably working from home or just productivity things. But for sure it has a really nice picture quality with an IPS panel, and for sure the full HD capabilities, which I think it's a really good thing to have. So I really like this portable screen, this portable monitor that you can take with you on the go super easily with the carry-on bag, the 1080p capabilities and the IPS panel, super easy to connect. You can attach it to your laptop up to 17.3 inches and has connectivity for HDMI, USB-C, and the power cable that actually fits from the actual laptop. So you don't have anything extra. I really like it, perfect quality, and for sure super good to take with you on travel or any other business that you need to do outside. I like it, I do recommend it. Thumbs up for sure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.